To turn speech into text on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we can use the voice recorder app. So if you go over here at the bottom on the left side, we have speech to text, which we can use in order to convert up to 10 minutes of speech into text. So if you start recording, you will not only create the voice recording or voice memo, you will also immediately transcribe the whole text. So what you say out loud, it will be converted into the text. And if you stop recording and if you save it, then you should be able to easily access the memo. As you can see, we have the text over here. We can just select it by pressing and holding, I believe. There we go. We can select everything and just copy it and so on and so forth. If you already have a recording created, then in that case we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then you can choose transcribe into text. However, you will need to pretty much play the whole voice recording in order to get the transcription. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.